Now we are going to solve question number 3 from practice set 7.2. The boxes are to be filled with apples in a heap. If 24 apples are put in a box, then 27 boxes are needed. If 36 apples are filled in a box, how many boxes will be needed? Over here you will see that they have given us two quantities. Which are the two quantities? Number of apples filled in each box. Got it? So that we are going to assume as x. So let the number of apples filled in each box be x. And which is the other quantity? The other quantity that they have given is the number of boxes. So let the number of boxes be y. If we fill more apples in each box, then we are going to require less number of boxes. It means that this is an example of inverse variation. So over here x, that is number of apples filled in each box, is inversely proportional to y. Y means the number of boxes. This is given to us. In case of inverse variation, the product of two quantities is a constant. So, therefore x into y is equal to k. K is constant of variation. Now, in this equation, we are going to put the value of x and y. And what is that value of x? X is equal to 24, y is equal to 27. That means when we put 24 apples in a box, then we need 27 boxes. So, let us find out the value of k over here. X into y is equal to k. Value of x is 24. Value of y is 27. So 24 into 27 is equal to k. Therefore, k is equal to 648. This is the value of k. Therefore, the equation of variation is x into y is equal to 648. This is the equation of variation. Now we will use this equation of variation to find out the value of y. X is given to us as 36. X means the number of apples filled in a box. And y we are going to find out. Y means the number of boxes needed. Write the equation of variation x into y is equal to 648. X over here is 36. So 36 into y is equal to 648. Y is equal to 648 upon 36. When we write this number 36 on the right hand side, it will divide this number 648. When we carry out the division, we get the answer as y is equal to 18. Therefore, 18 boxes will be needed. So over here, if you fill 36 apples in one box, we are going to need 18 boxes. Sum number 4 from practice set 7.2. Write the following statements using symbol of variation. First sum. The wavelength of sound L and its frequency F are in inverse variation. We'll write the answer. wavelength of the sound L inversely varies to its frequency F. Second sum, the intensity I of the light varies inversely with the square of the distance D of a screen from the lamp. Intensity of the light I varies inversely with the square of the distance. Inversely varies to the square of the distance of a screen from the lamp. Question number 5. X varies inversely as square root of y, and when x is equal to 40, then y is equal to 16. If x is equal to 10, find y. Let us solve the sum. Solution. X inversely varies to square root of y. This is given to us. Now, in case of inverse variation, the product of two quantities is a constant. Therefore, x into square root of y is equal to k. K is constant of variation. In this equation, we are going to put value of x as 40 and value of y as 16, and first find out the value of k. Put x is equal to 40, y is equal to 16. Write down the equation. X into square root of y is equal to k. 40 into square root of 16 is equal to k. 40 into square root of 16 is 4 is equal to k. Multiply these two numbers, you will get the answer as 160 is equal to k. Therefore, k is equal to 160. This is the value of k. Therefore, the equation of variation is x into square root of y is equal to 160. We are going to use this equation and find out the value of y. X is given to us as 10. We are going to find out y. Write down the equation of the variation. X into square root of y is equal to 160. X is given to us as 10. So 10 into square root of y is equal to 160. Square root of y is equal to 160. This number, when we write on the right hand side, it will divide this number 160. So 160 upon 10, 0 will get cancelled. Square root of y is equal to 16. Here we have the value of square root of y. We are going to find out the value of y. So we are going to square both the sides. Both the sides means the right hand side also and the left hand side also. So we'll write over here squaring both the sides. Square root of y square is equal to 16 square. Y is equal to 256. Therefore, y is equal to 256. So, here we have got the value of y as 256. Question number 6. X varies inversely as y when x is equal to 15, then y is equal to 10. If x is equal to 20, then y is equal to, we are going to find out the value of y. Let us solve the sum. Solution. X varies inversely as y. This is given to us. In case of inverse variation, the product of two quantities is constant. Therefore, x into y is equal to k. K is constant of variation. Now, in this equation, we are going to put the value of x as 15 and value of y as 10 and find out the value of k. Put x is equal to 15, y is equal to 10. Write down the equation. X into y is equal to k. Value of x is 15. 15 into 10 is equal to k. 150 is equal to k. Therefore, k is equal to 150. Therefore, the equation of variation is x into y is equal to 150. Now, this is the equation of variation. We are going to use this equation of variation and find out the value of y. This is the constant k. X is given to us as 20. Y we are going to find out. Write the equation of variation. X into y is equal to 150. X is 20. So write down that value over here. 20 into y is equal to 150. Y is equal to 150. This number, when we write on the right hand side, it will divide this number 150. So 150 upon 20, 0, 0 will get cancelled. Y is equal to 7.5. Therefore, y is equal to 7.5. So this is the value of y that we have got over here.